Do you see the inches? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start, I just want to say I am sick, so please feel free to make fun of me in the comments because I sound crazy. Anyways, today is a very special video. I will be unboxing my bundles today. So a little backstory, I ordered some hair off of Tinashe Hair. Wanted to see what the hype was about, and also I will be going on a college tour soon. Hopefully I don't forget to vlog when I'm on that college tour, but I want it to look good, you know, I wanted some inches. And so I bought some loose wave hair from Tinashe. Ew. So this is just a simple unboxing video. I thought I heard something. This is just an unboxing video and I will show you guys my hair. So in here should be an 18-inch closure and loose wave bundles in the inches 20, 22, and 24. So this is the packaging. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, this is very nice. So I did order this off of Amazon Prime just so I could get it faster. Which one is this? This is the 22-inch. Watch, when I take it out, it's probably gonna look way longer, but this is the 22-inch. Oh, this happens to be my closure. This is the 24-inch. And this is the 20-inch. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, look what they put inside. Happy Smile hand mirror. This is a hand mirror? This is so cute. Look at the back of it. Those are so cute. Oh my baddie. Look at it. You can see my phone. That's weird. Yo, thank you Tinashe Hair. Y'all are great. I needed this. Felt very empowered by this. Okay, so let me just take out the bundles for you. I will start with the 20-inch. Oh, it has that factory smell, but you know, because it's fresh out the box. Oh my god, it's so soft. I don't want to make it too frizzy though. Oh my god, look at it bounce. Y'all see that? Let me hold this. Do y'all see that? This is the 20-inch. Yes. Okay, let me quickly put this back before I mess it up. I love the packaging. 10 out of 10 for Tinashe Hair. Period. Just to save time, I'm gonna skip and show you guys the 24-inch. The 22-inch is gonna be a length in between the 20 and the 24 because, you know, yeah. Wow, this is beautiful. Hold on. I'm so weird, guys. Hold on, let me take this off. Do you see the inches? Yo, I'm so excited, bro. So this was just simply, I'm gonna do the closure in a few seconds, but simply this is the unboxing video, and then after this I will be showing a video on me actually getting my wig installed. So I'm actually not doing a sew-in. I've had bad experience with sew-ins. I'm actually gonna be doing a wig, a custom closure wig. If you guys need people to slay your wigs or something, I got mad people who know how to do wigs. I will put you on. Let me show you guys the closure real quick. This is actually something I do have to cut open. This closure is 18 inches. Oh, okay. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at it in the sun though. Closure wear. I don't think y'all ready for the pop out though, to be honest. Do you see this? This is beautiful, bro. Do y'all want to know how much I paid for this hair? $119.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Period. Can you say balling on a budget? Like this hair, and it was on Amazon Prime. So it came in like 2 days. I ordered this 2 days ago. Y'all need to hop on the wave. The unboxing video, for this video, I'm gonna give this hair a 10 out of 10. Hair is soft, luscious, beautiful, etc. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This video is very short and straight to the point. I hope y'all love it. And I will keep you posted in my installing process. Thank you guys for watching.